Today, we will talk about how to move into an apartment for the first time. Let's have a look at the details. Moving into your first apartment is an exciting milestone, but it can also feel scary and overwhelming. However, with a little patience, preparation, and help from family and friends, you can make this transition a successful and rewarding one. The first step is finding an apartment. Examine your budget to determine a price range. The first step to moving into your own place is figuring out what you can afford. Make a list of qualities you want in an apartment. Not all apartments are created equal. Prioritize the must-haves, and then make a list of features that you want, but don't necessarily need. Figure out what you want from your location. Write down a few things you want out of your ideal area or neighborhood. Determine if you want or need a roommate. Renting with a roommate can make your first apartment much more affordable. Begin searching as far in advance as possible. It can take a long time to find a place that fits your needs, so don't start apartment hunting at the last minute. Check apartment listings on related websites in the area where you want to live. Search for online reviews of the property or the management company. Once you've narrowed down your search to a few promising options, do some research. Set up a time to view potential apartments. Call the property manager or landlord to make an appointment. Review the rules and policies with management. Before you make a firm decision, take some time to make sure you know what you are getting into. The second step is getting your apartment ready for move-in. Fill out any required paperwork. Before you can move into a new apartment, you will have to fill out a few forms. You will likely need to submit to a credit check or background check before you can be approved for a lease. And your new landlord might also ask you to supply a list of references. Pay any required fees. Many apartments require a fee for your application and credit check. Sign your lease. Once you're approved for an apartment, you'll be given a lease or rental agreement. Before signing, review your lease to make sure you understand the terms. Do a walkthrough with the landlord and note any problems. Doing a walkthrough can help you spot any issues that need to be resolved right away. Set up your utilities. Before you move in, contact your local utility companies and set up a time to have your utilities activated. It's a good idea to do this a few weeks in advance. Get your keys. Your landlord or property manager should provide keys on your move-in date. Clean the apartment, if necessary. Many landlords use cleaning services to prepare apartments for new tenants. File a change of address form with the post office. Once you're established in your new apartment, you'll need to make sure that your mail gets sent there instead of to your old address. And the third step is packing and moving your belongings. Go through your belongings and decide what you want to bring. Pack your belongings in sturdy boxes. Packing can be a major pain, so it's best to start doing it as far in advance as possible. Label the boxes so you know what's in them. Prepare any large furniture items for transportation. Depending on the size of your furniture and how sturdy it is, some pieces may need special preparation. Ask friends or family members to help you move. Moving all your stuff on your own can be extremely difficult. If you can, recruit some family members or a few friends to help you out. Transport your belongings to your new apartment. Rent a moving van, if necessary. Even if you don't have a lot of stuff, you might find it hard to fit it all into the family car. Move boxes into the rooms where the contents belong. Once you've gotten your belongings to the new apartment, put the boxes into the appropriate rooms. This will make the unpacking process much easier. Make a list of items you need, but don't already have. If you're moving into your first apartment, you'll likely need to buy quite a few necessities. Save money by buying items second-hand. When you're moving into an apartment for the first time, your budget will probably already be stretched thin. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.